Hey guys, welcome to Lean Sarson's YouTube channel. I'm here to do an unboxing from some of my fan mail that I've gotten. If you look right here, it says to Lean. I think it's backwards, but I don't really know. But yeah, so someone was really nice to send me some fan mail. If you look right here, I have some staples in here, so you know they're really trying to protect it. They couldn't just tape it. They had to do like the whole 9 yards. So, alright, let's get into this unboxing. Hey, alright, so I'm here with unboxing this. But I'm not used to getting fan mail, so this is a nice surprise. To Lean, I really appreciate whoever of you sent this. So yeah, so we'll just get some of the staples off. Okay, so now that it's open, let's. Oh, there's a note. There's a note. Oh. Okay. Let's see if anyone wrote anything in the back.